Yes, good morning, everyone. So yesterday we had a discussion about data types. At the time of Python data types, two categories are there: fundamental data types and collection data types. So at the time of fundamental data types, those are accepted single objects. If you want to store, then I need to go to the fundamental data types. Anybody new guys are there today? First class. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I will give the admin number. You have to take the videos, whatever previous class is completed. You need to take that video just to go through that. This weekend, I will give the backup classes for you Friday and Saturday. Whatever classes I completed. Okay. Yesterday absent and very good. Uh, so who are the missing the starting classes? I will give backup classes Friday and Saturday classes. No problem. Meanwhile, you have to take the video links just to go through that one. Okay. Sir, I started the topic is Python data types. In Python data types, two are there. One is fundamental data types. Second one is collection data types. Fundamental data types are those are accepted only one object into the variable. Those fundamental data types, five are available there. That is integer, float, boolean, complex, string. These five are called as a online guys. Am I audible? Cannot listen me. Check your audio. Okay. Sir, fine. Sir, now observe carefully. These five are called as fundamental data types. These can accepted only one value into the variable. For example, if I'm given x equal to 10 integer, if I'm given x equal to 1.2 float, if I'm given same 10 plus 3j complex, if I'm given a true, it is a boolean. If I'm given single quote some value, then it is a string. So how to check this? Once Python is installed, there is one component is there. That is what it is. IDLE, Python Integrated Learning Environment. To test the application functionalities, it is available there. Here you have to give x equal to 10. There is a predefined function is there, a type of x integer. X equal to 1.2. So based on type of data, the data type will be decided there. X equal to 10 plus 3j. The type of x, what it is? Complex. X equal to I'm given true. Then the type of x is boolean. X equal to I'm given single quote some value. Then type of x is string. The type of x string. So these five are fundamental data types are there into our Python. Integer, float, complex, boolean, and st or data types are available. After that, yesterday, one more topic I explained what it is typecasting. Typecasting means you have to converted one type to the another type. So at the time, five functions are there. One is integer, second one float, third one bool, fourth one complex, fifth one string. Sir, who are the first class? All these are already explained. Okay, just you can in the ground floor. Manoj is their admin. You can contact him. He will give the old videos links, last 3, 4 classes. Just to go through that one. Up to here, I explained in my previous classes. What is a fundamental data type? How many categories are there? What is the typecasting? And yesterday class, I explained, sir, all the fundamental data types are mutable or immutable? Immutable concept, because once the data is fixed, it is not possible to change the data content. Such a type of nature is called as what it is? Immutability. If we want to try to change the content, data will be not changes, but with those changes, one new object got created there. For example, remove this one present. So I have to give a equal to 10. So what is happened internally? With the 10, one object got created there. What is the reference variable? A, sir. Now A is pointing to the 10. Sir, whenever object is there, compulsory A can contain some address. Tomorrow, if I want to give some B equal to 10, is it created new object or is it reusing? No, it won't create object already available there. Just it is reusing that. If I want to change the content to A equal to 20, now this 10 will be changed as a 20 or is it creating new object? It is creating one new object with the 20. It is not changing existing. Now it is not pointing here. Now A is pointing to this one. A address automatically changes. This concept yesterday I explained for you. Check this. A equal to 10. You can ask ID of A. Address is there. B equal to 10. You can ask ID of B. Both are same, not same. Both are same. Until only one object is there. Two references are there. So if I want to change A equal to 20, then automatically address will be changes. Now A address changes B. A is pointing to 20. B is pointing to the 10. Now C equal to 10. D equal to 20. Now which addresses are same? A and D addresses are same. B address, C addresses are same. You can ask ID of A already there. Ask ID of D. ఎందుకోండి 2957140104 both are same. Address of B 784. Address of C 784. So both are same, not same? Same. So that is called as reusability. And as I'm telling reusability is applicable, sir. A equal to 100, B equal to 100. A is B. True. Why? What is the reason? ID of A, you can ask ID of B. If both addresses are same, it will return true. I'm given A equal to 300, B equal to 300. A is B, false. Because after 256, reusability is not applicable. Where is the proof? You can ask ID of A, ID of B, then you will get clarity. Both addresses are different. That's why I'm getting as a false. In case of the float, A equal to 1.2, B equal to 1.2. A is B, false. Because float reusability is not there. So up to here, we completed into our previous classes, fundamental data type, typecasting, all fundamental data types are immutable. Now, just yesterday, we started introduction to the collection data types. In this collection data types, first one is bytes. First ones are bytes. What is this bytes means? We have to represent a group of byte numbers just like an array. The arrays concept is actually not there in Python. If you want to store data to the array, compulsory you have to go with NumPy library. We have to add the install NumPy library explicitly. So I want to store a group of byte numbers into an array, then I can go to the bytes type. Now go to this ideally. So the first rule is x equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 I'm given. Take one variable. What is the function? Bytes. Bytes of x. You can ask a type of B. What is the type of the B? So first data type, bytes data type. Once it is created, in the string index concept is there. So every value contain indexing. So this value indexing is 0, this value 1, this one 2, this one 3. So positives are taken from left side to the right side. If I want to take right to left, then this one -1, it is -2, -3, -1. Where is the proof? You can ask B of 0. What is the value? 10. If I can ask B of -1, 40. If I can ask B of 5, index out of range because the last index is 0, 1, 2, 3. 5 is not there. So this is also we completed into our yesterday. So in this first conclusion is, sir, I want to read the values means for I in B, print I. That is for loops. Later I will explain. So the values are 10, 20, 30, 40 is there. The first conclusion of bytes data type is x equal to 10, 20, 30, 300, 400. I want to convert to the bytes. How to convert? Bytes of x. Then what will happen? X should be converted to the bytes type. But here problem is there. What is the problem? Yes, what they are telling, Babu, bytes must be in the range of 0 to 256. But here the problem is 300 and 400 is there, not allowed. That is the first rule of the bytes. Compulsory the value should be 0 to 255 only. So next, bytes data type is mutable, immutable. Suppose check here previously B data is there B of 0. What is the B of 0? 10. Try to change content B of 0 equal to 100. If the content is changed successfully, yes, mutable, non-changeable, immutable. ఇదిగోండి. Byte object does not support item assignment. Means once data is given, it will be fixed. We are not able to change. That's why bytes data type is which type? Immutable data type. The make heading bytes data type. Bytes data type represents a group of byte numbers just like an array. Example 10, 20, 30, 40. B equal to bytes of X. Now you can ask type of B. Now I need to ask B of 0. The value is 10. B of minus 1. The value is 40. B of 5. Index error. If you want to read all values, take one for loop. For I in B, print of I. What is that for loop? I will explain. So this example, I didn't get colon for. You don't worry. This is the for loop. Later on, I will explain what is the for loop syntaxes, those things. Line number 12. Okay, now to read the data from the total value, that is for loops. In the iterative statements, I will explain for loops. Present, don't worry about this syntax. First conclusion is the only allowed values for byte data type 0 to 255. 0 to 255. If we trying to provide any other values, then we will get value error. Ten comma 20 comma 30 comma 300 bytes of X, then immediately it is telling, sorry boss, it is accepted range of 0 to 256. Where this one The reason is I will tell here they are using range function. Range of 0, 256 and it is taken 0 to 55 n minus 1. I will show simple example. Check it. The actual range data type I will explain. చూడండి. R equal to sir range of 10 అన్న. What is the meaning? Not 0 to 10. 0 to 9 only it is taken. Where is the proof? ఇదిగోండి. For I in R, print of I. How many values are there? 0 to 9. అందుకనే రేంజ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టేకెన్ మైనస్ 1 వాల్యూ. ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నాడు రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ 0 to 256 మీన్స్ 0 to 255 ఓన్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ అలౌడ్. దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద సెకండ్ వన్? Bytes data type is immutable. Once we given that it should be fixed, not able to change. Once we create bytes data type, we can't change it values. Send me a link for STA class record. You can ask to the admin Manoj, he will provide for you the recordings. Okay, I will share his number. You can message him, he will provide the videos. Whatever missing classes, those. If we trying to change, then we will get an error. Example, x equal 10, 20, 30, 40. I want to try to be equal to bytes of x. B of 0 equal to 100. Now we will get error, that is type error. Not possible to change the content. That is the two major points are bytes data type. Byte is accepted 0 to 256. Bytes data type is immutable. Not possible to change the content. And data cannot. So today I will upload all the notes day 1 to today, whatever class completed, end of the session. I will upload these notes into Google Classroom. You can collect the Google Classroom link in the from the Manoj. You can take the Google Classroom link. Who paid the fees? Go to there and join in that group. You take the notes. Day 1 to today notes. Day 1 videos links also available there. Who are missing, just to go through that one. Starting classes, demos, videos. Where is the Manoj number? Here his number is not there. I will give admin number. Sir, second data type. What is the second one? Byte array data type, byte array. Then Manoj number. Okay, okay. Sir, bytes array means byte array, both are same only. Only one difference is that is, first of all, you have to check this here. Okay, observe carefully. Here also, if you want to take x equal to 10, 20, 30, 300, I am taken. I want to convert into bytes means what is the function? Byte array. Byte array of what it is? X. Not possible. Because byte array can be accepted compulsory 0 to what is the values? 255 only it is accepted that that condition is common. Sir, I have to take less than values. X equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, sir. Now, byte array of X. Now you can ask type of the B. Byte array is there. No, sir, I want to access B of 0. Story same only. 10. No. I want to access B of minus 1. 50. If I want to read all values for I in B, print of I, all values are coming. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now try to change the contents are B of 0 equal to 100. Am I getting error or changed? Changed successfully. For I and B, you can print values, then automatically see. Previously, whatever values are there, 10, 20, 30, 40. Now, whatever values are there, 100, 20, 30, 40. And am I change the content or not? As one content is changeable, then it is a which data type? Mutable. That is only difference between bytes and byte array. Byte array is exactly same as bytes data type, except that its elements can be modified. 10, 20, 30, 40, b equal to byte array of x. Now print the values for I and b. Print of I values are coming. Try to change the content b of 0 equal to 1. Now print the values. Automatically it will be changes. That changeable behavior is called as a mutable. If it is non-changeable, this is unmutable. Manoj, can you forward day one to today video links? I will upload to the Google Classroom. Day one to yesterday, all the YouTube video links, demo sessions, those links I will upload into the Google Classroom. Who are missing the classes, just they will go through that one. Acknowledge participants. And I will forward it. I will give that. Okay. So that is the first two data types. One is bytes. Second one is byte array. Both are accepted 0 to 255 values only. One is immutable. Second one is mutable. So the third data type is list. What is the third one? List, sir. In the list, first one is, so whatever values we are providing, the values should be enclosed with these brackets, square brackets. Then automatically the type will be considered as a which type? List type. For example, see these examples. I want to take a variable L equals to 20, 10, 40, 30, 50. I can ask a type of L, sir. What is the type of L? List. Because of square brackets. If we mention data into square brackets, it should be a list. Sir, now I am given values are 20, 10, 40, 30, 50. If I want to print off L, am I getting values in the same order or not? If it is coming same order, then you have to tell insertion order is preserved. If it is not coming same order, insertion order is not preserved. Because some data types, insertion order is preserved, some data insertion order is not preserved. Values are available. How the order is coming, we don't know. Now you have to print the L values. If same order it will be displayed, you have to tell insertion order is preserved. So am I getting same order or not? Yes. So you have to tell insertion order is what it is preserved. అంటే whatever order you are inserting, same order. In bytes, we are not using square brackets, man. We are using bytes function. First I'm given this, after that I'm using function, then it is converted to bytes. Insertion order is preserved, sir. Sir, second one, if you know the Java arrays are there. Java arrays are accepted only homogeneous objects. Means, for example, if you want to declare integer of I, this is the array. If you want to declare string yes, this is the string. Sir, I can accepted only integers, multiple values. S is accepted multiple values only, strings only. That is called as homogeneous objects. But what about in case of our list? List is accepted homogeneous objects or heterogeneous objects. And I'm given one integer, I'm given one float value, I'm given one boolean value, I'm given one complex, I'm given one string. And all data types I can provided there. Is it accepted, not accepted? Click on enter, print L. Accepted? Accepted. Then you have to tell heterogeneous objects are allowed. That is the meaning. Arrays are not accepted heterogeneous. Homogeneous objects are allowed. Only similar data type values it can be stored. But here it is stored heterogeneous object should be allowed. Duplicates are allowed, not allowed. L equal to 10, 20, 30, 30, 20, 10. Accepted? Accepted. So duplicates are allowed. So list is accepting the duplicate values. Sir, now in the list, observe, I have to take some list of values. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 are there. I need to ask L of 0, 10. You can ask L of minus 1, 60. If we can ask L of 0 colon 3, 10, 20 ఏం చేసావు దేవుడికి ఇచ్చేయండి. 10, 40, 10, 30. What is the meaning of first of all 0 colon 3? Colon means slice operator. 0 colon 3 means what is the meaning? 0, 1, 2. Three values you are getting. So whatever value 0, 1, 2, 10, 20, 30. That is the meaning of slice operator. Yes or no? What is the meaning of 0 colon 3? In the string I explained slice operator. End minus 1 ante 0, 1, 2. Suppose see here. L of 3 colon. What is the meaning? Third to last. So what is the third value, sir? 0, 1, 2, 3, 40. 40, 50, 60. That is the meaning. So, ante ఇక్కడ main concept means list can supported indexing and slicing. What is the meaning? Indexing and what is the meaning of L of 0? Based on index I am accessing. What is the meaning of 0 colon 3? Slice operator. Allowed. Suppose L colon. Now whole values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So ఇక్కడ main concept is list is supported, indexing and slicing are supported. In the list we can access values by using index and by using the slice operator also. First class. Demonstration means just to 2, 3 classes completed introduction. I will give those videos link just to go through that one. Present, this is only introduction only, data types only. So what is data types? Basic data, whatever there, those I'm explaining. Fundamental data types, 1 or 2, once again explain, sir. I will give video just to go through that one, okay? Again, later on, those data types will come into the picture. Tarun. Sir, now, list data type is, now observe carefully. L equal 10, 20, 30. How many values are there? There is one function, is there? What is the function? LEN means length. How many values are there? Generally, we need to count it to 10, 20, 33 are there. One function is that predefined function LEN of L. 3 values are there. Now the size is 3. I want to go with L dot 10, 20, 30 kada 40. L dot append of 50. Now I can ask length of L. What is the size? 5. And starting I'm given size 3. Now I'm increasing the size or not? Yes, means I need to increase the size. For example, present 5 values are there. Okay, done. I need to go with remove of 10. Then length of L, how many? 4. And first initially 3 are there. I increase it to the 5. I can reduce it. This type of nature is called as growable in nature. What it is means I can increase the size. I can sir, these rules, whatever I'm telling, 7 or 8 rules, these are only applicable to the list. Other data type may or may not applicable. Okay, these are applicable for only list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. List is mutable or immutable? Mutable. Sorry. In the list, how many values are there? 20, 30, 40, 50. Four values are available there. Try to change the content. How to change the contents are L of 0 equal to 100. So 20 will be gone, replaced with 100. So change it, not changed. Change it successfully. So list is a which data type? Yes, mutable. This is the 8 rules. So the values can be provided with square brackets. Insertion order is preserved. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Duplicates are accepted. Indexing slicing is supported. We can increase, decrease the size. List is a mutable. Possible, but we have to write the program. At the time of writing programs, I will explain those things. Hemant Reddy. Present, I'm telling just basic introduction to the data types. In upcoming list chapter is there. In that, I will explain the programs and all those things. Sir, now, sir, here L equal to 10, 20, 30. Three items are available there. I've taken L1 equal to L star 2. Is it valid? What is the output? Hmm? 20, 40, 60. Sir, first of all, I'm clicking on enter button. If you're not getting anything, okay, valid. In list values at 10, 20, 30, the doubt is L1 values. What is the meaning of star 2? Star meant for multiplication. So what will happen? 10 into 2, 20, 20 into 2, 40, 30 into 2, 60. So what is the output you're getting? 20, 40, 60. Very good. Wrong. అంతే అంటావు. How to join Google Classroom? He is telling only 20, only 2. Inka. How to join Google Classroom means you can contact to the admin. He will give Google Classroom link. Shravanti. Manoj, please provide your mobile number and those videos starting to up to now videos, class videos. Sir, what is the values in L1? So many people are telling 2 and 2, 20, 20, 40, 60. Sir, what is the meaning of L star 2 means? In L, how many values are there? 3 are there, 10, 20, 30. Star 2 meant for repetition operator. The L values will be repeated 2 times and stored into the L1. So the values of L1 may be, it is what it is, 10, 20, 30 and 10, 20, 30. Star is the repeated values. If both are integers, then only it should be multiplication. For example, 10 star 20. Now it is the arithmetic operator multiplication, 200 output. But that is the list object. Then it is called as a repetition. For example, I have previously I'm given this example. Sunny star 3. Then Sunny will be repeated 3 times. Based on values, the star symbol will be act as a multiple ways. That is the way. So your list repetition, not 20, 40, 60 values. Sir, that is the first one. No, sorry, third one list. What is the next one? Tuple. Tuple data type. Don't call to the admin, just WhatsApp him. He will provide the videos. Just you can message to the WhatsApp, okay? Sir, first I will copy paste it all these rules which are applicable. I will okay. Otherwise, I will delete it. Sir, first one values can be enclosed with which one? Parentheses. First to take only first point. Okay, observe carefully. Now check it. T equal to 20, 10, 40, 30, 50. Now you can ask a type of the T. What is the type of the T? Tuple only. So the first rule is Yes, introduction only. So the values can be enclosed with which brackets? Parentheses. Fine. Second one, insertion order is preserved, not preserved. Not preserved. Sorry. I'm given t equal to 20, 10, 40, 30, 50. Try to print, then you will get clarity. Print of t. Am I getting same order or any other order? Same order. Ante what it is? Insertion order is preserved. Is it allowing heterogeneous objects? Ante different varieties of data. Yes or no? Na? Accepted? No anta. Yes. We will try it. Automatically, we will get the clarity. T equal to 10, 1.2, true. So, integer, one float. Yeah. So, I'm given one integer, one float value, and one Boolean value. Once I click on enter, if it is okay, accept. Otherwise, it will give some error. Now, accepted, not accepted. Accepted. So, third one is also applicable. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Duplicates, duplicates are not allowed. T equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30, 20, 10, 30, 40, 30. Now, allowed or not allowed? Allowed only. So fourth one is also same. Duplicates are allowed. Indexing and slicing. Supported and not supported. Supported, not supported. Sir, now come this. ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ values are there 10, 20, 30, 40 like that is available. I can ask a t of 0, sir. I can ask a t of -1, sir. I can ask a t of 0 colon 4. Came, not came. Came. T of 0, first value. -1, last value. 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. 10, 20, 30, 20. Came. And indexing, slicing also supported. Growable in nature. And I want to add the data. For example, t equal to, sir, 10, 20, sorry, 10, 20, 30. How many values are there? Three are there. I want to add the data. T dot add of 40. What they are telling? Not supported. Once data is fixed. Growable in nature is not applicable. Once given data is fixed. Tuple is a mutable or immutable? ఏమండి? What is the T of 0? 10. I want to try to change the content equal to 100. No. So, tuple is a immutable. The difference of list to tuple. Maximum everything is fine. Only thing is list is mutable. Tuple is immutable. That is only the difference. Dependent. Depends upon data type, methods will be changes. Those things అసలు present I'm telling just introduction part. Sir, later on there are 5 chapters are there. In the list అసలు whatever methods are there, to pull internally whatever methods are there, and string methods, string manipulation programs, dictionary manipulation programs. Present, this is language fundamentals introduction part. Later on, I'm given 5 chapters are there separately. Fifth one, sixth one, 7, 8, 9. Here you full clarity about us. What is list? Just now someone is asking us swapping numbers. List how many methods are? Just now me asking append function. Append is there in list. Tuple append is not there. So based on type, the methods will be changes. You will get much clarity about these 5 chapters. Present as what is list? What is basic rules? I am explaining. 3 topics. We are in first topic only, man. Yeah, you language fundamentals only. Next topic, operators. Present I'm telling just language fundamental. Not three topics. Not three, what we can call, not three chapters. Within single one, three subtopics. Identifiers, reserved words, data types. Hmm. Explain list tuple programs will come. List data structure, tuple data structures programs will come. Directly from starting program, no one can get anything. Present as you don't know anything about for loop, while loop, if conditions, all these things. Slowly, step by step, I will explain. Sir, now, so these are all the rules, sir. Tuple means we can give parentheses. Insertion order is preserved. Heterogeneous objects allowed. Duplicates are allowed. Indexing slicing is there. Only difference is growable nature not applicable. It is a immutable data type. Fine. Sir, when we go for list, when we go for tuple, being a programmer, how to decide? Yes or no? No? You are there. You are the programmer. You are the developer. Tomorrow, when you select list, when you select the tuple, how to select it? Which one is the suitable one for my programming? Yes. For example, sir, you need to take the Facebook. In the Facebook, comments are there. Comment box, Facebook or Twitter, comment box is there. Suppose today you can posted one post in the Facebook. Today some comments came. Tomorrow some came. There, every day comments will be increases or not? Yes. So whenever data will be changes continuously, then tuple is the best list. List because tuple fixed not changeable. When we go for a tuple means if the content is non-changed fixed. Example, sometimes do you know there are some weightage missions are there. Once you stand in the machine, you can insert 2 rupee coin. It will display some weight. So in that coin vendor machine, 2 rupees is the fixed. You can insert 1 rupee coin, not accepted. Do you know in the olden days in railway station platforms, weightage machines are there. Once you insert coin, it will come one ticket. Front your weight available. Once you can backside, your astrology will came. But how many of you know? I don't know. 10 years back, the story will be there. It will give one ticket. It will display your height, weight, height, so on, so weight. Today, what is your astrology? Once you turn that ticket back, it will display. Today, will meet your girlfriend. Today is the best day. You have to propose your girlfriend. Today, you can do anything. It will work out. Like that, it will be displayed some astrology also. So, in that time, coin vendor machines are, ఇంకోండి ఇది మన నెంబరు video details, video links, all those things. ఏంటి రాదు ఇది అసలు టైపింగ్ ఆప్షనే లేదు దీనికి. ఉమ్, సరే సరే. So now, so if the data is not changed fixed, then we go with the tuple. If the content will be changed, then I can go to the list. Now my have one doubt is there. If the values are enclosed with the square brackets, it will be treated as a list. If I'm given a parenthesis, it should be a tuple. By mistake, if I'm not given anything, is it valid or invalid? What is the type? Once you click on that, you will get clarity, valid or invalid. I'm not clicking on enter. Just I'm given x equal 10, 20, 30, 40. I'm not given any square brackets and parentheses. It is, it's showing error. Which error? Multiple. Very good. Intelligent boys. Valid, invalid. Valid, accepted. What is the type of X? Very good. Integer means only one value. Here four values are there. Integer means only one and ఇక్కడ how many values are there? Four values and four values means compulsory it is a collection type. What is the type of X? What it is? Range. Nice. I explained only two only. Four I explained. Bytes, byte list, tuple. So in these four you can select one. Bytes. Okay. Byte array. What is the type of the text? They're executed already online, guys. You can ask a type of X, sir. What is the type of X? Tuple. Ante, observe. Values should be enclosed with the parenthesis is mandatory or optional. The story. If you are given parenthesis, tuple. Without parenthesis also it is a tuple only. So in case of list, square brackets are must and should. Tuple parenthesis is optional. If you provide, not provide, it should be a tuple only. So now I want to provide that, sir. Square brackets means listed, parenthesis means tuple. I want to create single value tuple t with parenthesis 10. What is the type of the t? What is type of t? Tuple or not? Because what I'm given parenthesis, square brackets means listed, parenthesis means it should be a tuple, but it is not a tuple. Tuple, still doubt, students having doubt. I'm given clearly parenthesis. Parenthesis means what it is? Tuple or not? Integer. What is the type of T? Tuple. Sir, what is the type of the T? Integer. But I want to create single value tuple. But how to create the single value? It should be tuple. I want to create single value, but it should be a tuple. But if I'm giving single value with parenthesis, it is taken as a which one? Integer it is considered. How to create single value tuple means t equal to 10 followed by comma. Then you can ask a type of t. What is the type of t? Tuple. Because even the single value you can provide that parenthesis, it is not a tuple, it is a integer. When it is taken as a tuple means 10 followed by with comma, then all it is will be tuple. So if not given parenthesis also it is a tuple. So based on this, is it valid? 10 comma, valid or invalid? Valid. Okay. Now check this. You can ask the type of the T. What is the type of the T? Tuple. Because parenthesis is optional. So that is the second data type. Fourth one. What it is? Tuple data type. So if the values you can provide parenthesis is tuple, without parenthesis also tuple only. So that is four data types. Bytes, byte array, list, tuple. List to tuple both are same only, sir. Only differences is list values we can provide with square brackets. Tuple values provided with parenthesis optional. List is mutable, tuple is immutable. Fifth one, range. Range means it is generating just a range of values, sequence of numbers. Range means it is generating the sequence of numbers. Then I can go with range data type. Range data type represents a sequence of numbers will be generated there. There are three formats are there. First format. First one is, see here, then later you have to write it. First one I can provide it, sir, R equal to range of 10. You can ask type of R. What is the type of R? Range. So range of 10 means whatever values it is generated, just now discussed, 0 to 9. Ante n minus 1 values it should be generated there. For I in R, print of I. What the values are there? 0 to 9. Suppose I have to provide it, sir, R equal to same function 10 comma 20. Now 10 to 9. 10 time provided starting value. If you're not providing any starting value, default value will be 0 to n minus 1. I'm given starting value n. So for I in R, print of I. What is the value? 10 to? Very good. Next, I can give range of 10 comma 50. 10 to comma 5. So what is the meaning of 5? Step or increment. Ante first value 10. After that increment value 10 plus 5, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30, 40. 45 is the last number. For I in R, print of I. ఇంకోండి. That value step value. You can give 5, 3, 2, 1, any value. First value to next increment 5 values. Like that increment. These are all the three formats are into range. And sir, here values are there 10, 15, 20. Can I ask R of 0? Is it valid? Indexing slicing is there. Valid or invalid? Valid, valid, invalid, valid, valid. Answer 10. Invalid. Sorry, done. Sir, check this R of 0. Am I getting value or not? R of minus 1. 45. Try to change the content R of 0 equal to 100. Now, change it, not changed. What will happen? So, range data type is mutable or immutable? Immutable. Sir, first format, range of 10. Generate numbers from 0 to 9. That is the first one. Ten comma 20. Generate numbers from 10 to 19. Print of I. Third one. Range of 10 comma 50 comma 5. step or increment value. In slice operator, we discussed are equal to range of 10, 55. Now for I in R, print of I. These are the three formats are there. We can access elements present in the range data type by using indexing R of 0, R of -1. Try to change content. Not possible because it is a mutable range data types. Item assignment is not possible. Yeah, అంటే negative numbers are not generated. Highest to least numbers, those we will generate. Then that is the completely different story. First, always can tuple accept this single value like t equal to comma 10. T equal to 10 comma is valid. Dinesh, whatever you have doubt, I will run it. He is asking t equal to comma 10. He is asking invalid syntax. Okay, na? T equal to 10 comma valid. Hmm. Before it's invalid. Sir, bytes, byte array, list, tuple, range. Set to frozen, set to dict to none. Okay. Sixth one. Completed up to here. Set set data type. Sir, now see this. Whatever listed tuple rules are there, we copy, but some are applicable, some are not applicable. We will see here. First one is the values should be enclosed with curling braces. It should be a set. Check this first one. S equal to, sir, 10, 30, 20, 50, 40. Now I need to ask a type of S. What it is? Set. Second rule is insertion order is preserved, not preserved. Now I'm given 10, 30, 20, 50, 40. Try to print S values. Am I getting same order or order changes? Order changes. We don't know how it is inserted, but the value should be 5 values should be inserted. Chunde. I'm given 10, 30, 20, 50, 40, but it is different 50, 20, 40, 10, 30. So insertion order is Not preserved. Insertion order is not preserved. Is it accepted heterogeneous objects? Yes, sir. No. No, yes, sir. No. Some guys are telling yes, sir. No. Yes. Yes. No. Sorry, we will check it. Yes, sir. No, no, we will decide. ఏంటిది 10 కామా 10.2 కామా ట్రూ. సో చూడండి ఆల్రెడీ అభిలాష్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్ అలౌడ్ నాట్ అలౌడ్. వెరీ గుడ్ చెక్ ఇట్. 10 కామా 1.2 కామా ట్రూ. యాక్సెప్టెడ్ నాట్ యాక్సెప్టెడ్. ఎందుకు అతను యాక్సెప్ట్ అవ్వలేదంటే హీఈస్ గివెన్ ఇన్ ద ట్రూ టీ స్మాల్ లెటర్ ఈస్ గివెన్. యా 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 యా. సో heterogeneous objects are allowed happily. ఇదిగోండి ప్రూఫ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఏం గివెన్. వన్ ఫ్లోట్, వన్ ఇంటీజర్, వన్ బూలియన్ యాక్సెప్టెడ్. heterogeneous objects are allowed. డూప్లికేట్స్ చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా. డూప్లికేట్స్ ఎస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10 కామా 20 కామా 30 20 10 20 30 20 10. యాక్సెప్టెడ్ నాట్ యాక్సెప్టెడ్. వెయిట్ జర రుకో 1 minute. I can print off as then you can tell accepted. It is taken, but at the time of insertion, it will be remove the duplicates. How many values are inserted? Nearly 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values. But how many are there? 3. Repetition values will be removed. Only unique values inserted. That is the speciality of the set. Duplicates are not allowed, sir. Next, indexing and slicing. No index. S equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 comma 60. What is the S of 0? What is S of minus 1? What is S of 3? 0, 1, 2, 40 or 30? 40. Sorry. First of all, S of 0, what is the value? Very good. Intelligence. Now I want to print the S. Is it inserted same order? But everyone telling S of 0 means 10. Now you can tell what is S of 0. ఇప్పుడు answer came changed. Previously 10, now 50. Sir, here set does not supported indexing and slicing because how the values are inserted, I don't know. Then how can I access? I am inserted అది నాకేమో 10 20 30 40 50 inserted, but internal it is storing 50 20 40 10 60 30. Same values you can take, insert second time. Different way it will be stored. Sir, how it is inserted, I am not getting clarity, but then how can I access it? So indexing slicing is not supported in set value. సరే ఏం రాయాలి ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ? ఇండెక్సింగ్ స్లైసింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్ సపోర్టెడ్. దట్ ఈస్ ద స్టోరీ. నెక్స్ట్ గ్రోయబుల్ ఇన్ నేచర్. అప్లికబులా నాట్ అప్లికబులా? Growable nature means I want to increase the size. I want to decrease addition, deletion. For example, I have S equal to 10, 20, 30. Sir, how many values are there? 3 values are there. S dot add of 40. S dot add of 50. Now, how many values are there? 5. S dot remove of 10. How many values are there? 4. So, growable nature is applicable. List కాదు కదా set. So, set is a mutable or immutable? Mutable. Set is a mutable. ఇది చూడండి, s dot append equal to 10 attribute error came. So that is the set rules. So value should be enclosed with curling braces. Insertion order is not preserved. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Duplicates are no chance. Indexing slicing is not supported. Growable in nature. List is a, sorry, set is a mutable data type. Sir, if I'm given values to empty square brackets, what is the type? List. Okay, execute it, then you will get clarity. L equal to empty. Is it a type of L? What it is? List, because square bracket means list only. Suppose T equal to parenthesis. What is the type? Tuple. S equal to curling brace. What is the type of S? Type of S is confirm. Bet 100 rupees అయితే. Bet 300 rupees. What it is? Dictionary, not set. But how to declare empty set? Very good. Intelligent boy. Error allowed. Can I go with S equal to space? Space or without space? Without space, with the space. What to do? Without, without space. Type of S. Dictionary. Can I give with the space? Already I'm given dictionary only. So how to do with the space already given Dinesh ikkada. In this case, space is there already. Sir, now whenever I'm given open close curling braces, it should be a dictionary only, not set. The only way to create set is I want to go with set function. Then only type of S is what it is set. Inside set, no values. Now S dot add of 10. Now data will be added there. So empty close curling braces meant for what it is? Dictionary only. Sir, who wants videos? You can contact him. So that is the set data type. So open close curling braces means it is dictionary. Set is the function to create one empty set. Sir, same like that. Another data type is there, that is frozen. Frozen set data type. So frozen set means it is exactly same as set, but set is mutable. Frozen set is immutable. Sir, what is the meaning of just freeze? Freeze means, yes, sir. Suppose here this screen is there. Whenever I'm scrolling, it is scrolling down, up, everything coming, not coming. Once there is one button is there, freeze. If I'm scrolling, it is scrolling. Is there any scrolling is there? No, it will be freezed. Once you release, then only scrolling and upping everything is possible. Same like that. First I created one set. After that, this set I can make it as a freeze. Then adding deletion is not possible. Check this. Now S equal to 10, 20, 30. What is the type of S? What is the type of S? Set of frozen set. Set only, because what it is curling braces I'm using na, it is a set. What I was doing is frozen function set. What to do? Yes. Now this yes I can make it as a freeze. Now you can ask a type of FS. What is the type of FS? Frozen. try to add. Previously, am I using add data to the set or not? Yes. Now try to add this FS. It not allowed. Sorry, boss. It is already freezed. I'm not what 10, 20, 30, 40. Added? No. I want to remove. Try to remove. Is it possible? No, because it will be freezed. The data should be fixed. That is nothing but what it is. Frozen set. It is exactly same as set, except that it is immutable. We can't use add or remove functions. 10, 20, 30. Fs equal to S. You can ask a type of Fs. Then you can add. Not allowed. Try to remove. Not allowed. That is the frozen set. What is the next one? Dictionary. Hmm. Frozen set? No, no. What I'm telling, exactly same rules applicable, everything. So whatever rules are there up to here accepted. Only difference that is immutable. Everything same as it is. Sir, dictionary. Up to now list tuple set range set frozen set are accepted. Multiple elements to one single entity. But dictionary means we have to provide that sir values as a key value pairs. Key value means suppose I want to store all the student information. Student information means general student having the number, student having the name. I want to give numbers one by one, 101, 102, 103, 104, 5, 6. By using number, I can access your names. So student number, student name. As first of all, what is function? What is attribute? Tell. Then I will tell attribute a function. So if you want to get clarity this, you have to wait some more days. You will getting clarity about us what is function, what is method, what is attribute, everything you will get it clarity. Okay, because it is a one class. Within the class, if I'm calling any method which is not available, then we will get as a attribute error. Then that is called as attribute. Once we start the programming, then you will get clarity as what is function, what is method, when you are getting attribute error, all these. Sir, dictionary means I want to represent it with the key value pairs like student number, student name, or student name, mobile number, or student name, mail ID, employee number, employee name, employee salary. If you want to represent it values key value pair, then I can go with the dictionary. Keys duplicates are not allowed. Values may be duplicate. And the same number can I give two people? No. Maybe two persons' name should be same. Her name is Sunny, her name is also Sunny only. But number 101, 102. She is B Sunny, she is C Sunny. Yes or no? Name should be same only. Number will be, so duplicate keys are not allowed. Values may be duplicates. So if we want to represent a key value pairs within the square brackets, SR, it should be a dictionary. For example, see, D equal to curling braces only. 100, I want to give as a Sunny. Next, 200, I'm given as a Bunny. 300, I'm given as a Winnie. Now, type of D. What is the type of D, sir? Dictionary. How to access D of 100? Then Sunny. Now D of 400, not there. We are getting key error. Suppose your students 100 members are there. I'm asking 120 number, not available there. Key error. So you have to insert key value pairs. Then it is called as what it is, dictionary. So duplicate keys are not allowed. Values may be duplicate. For example, this is the dictionary. 100, 200, 300 is there. I have to go with 2, 3 kada. I have to go with 400. Chinni. Then what will happen? First within the dictionary, it is looking for 400. 400 keys available, not available. Then what will happen? This key value will be added to dictionary. Then see the dictionary values. 100, 200, 300, 400 available there. Now I want to add one more extra record, that is D of 100 equal to, I'm given as a pinny. Then is it added? Bob already with 100 key is there with the Sunny. Then am I getting error or it will replace? Check it. What happened? Sunny will be replaced with Pinny or Pinny. Me Pinna, my Pinna. Sunny Pinny. Sunny Pinny replaced in the base of Sunny. So duplicate keys are not allowed, sir. Whenever if you are given, it should be replaced the value, that is called as dictionary. Sir, I want to create, suppose C, D equal to open close curling brace. What is the type of D? Dictionary. Now in the D, any values are there? Nothing, empty. Empty dictionary, how to add the values? Sir, keys means always keys are integer values or anything? Anything you can provide. For example, D of key A equal to, I'm given apple. Now print the D of, I can given B. Now D of S. What it is? S for Sunny. Hmm. Came, not came. So string values also you can provide, not only integers. So empty dictionary, how to add it? This is the way to add the data to the dictionary. So that is called as what it is. If you want to represented values, key value pairs, then happily need to go with the dict data type. If you want to represent a group of values as a key pairs, then we should go for data type. Possible, possible. Everything is possible. Removing, updating, anything is possible. I will give functions and all those things. Your wish, single, double, anything you can use. If it is integer values, single quotes, double quotes is not required. If it is a string value, code is mandatory. Ashwant, compulsory. If we know already values, this is the way. Where? Oh. That is one parenthesis means that is I'm using one function, predefined function. Add, remove, those are function. Function means parenthesis. Here I'm accessing direct values with key. Here also later on some functions are there. When you're using function, parenthesis is there. If you want to direct, suppose string is there. In the string, I want to access the value. So I'm accessing s of square brackets of 0. So accessing direct assignment, we can go with this is square brackets. Those are function. Function means parenthesis is mandatory. Duplicate keys are not allowed, but values can be duplicated. If we are trying to insert an entry with duplicate key, then old value will be replaced with new value. For that, present in dictionary, this is the value. This is the value. If I'm given 400, not there, added. If it is there, it is replaced. If I want to add the data, then I can go with this is the process. 1 minute. So first key value pairs, that is example. Next, duplicates are not allowed, but values can be duplicated. If you are trying to insert any duplicate key, then old values can be replaced with new values. So that is the first chapter, language fundamentals. Here we discussed completely about identifiers, reserved words, and whatever data types are there in Python. Basic introduction we completed. Next we go with second chapter, that is operators. In here also no programming. Third chapter onwards are slowly programming will be started. None is there. I will explain tomorrow. None data type, escape characters, those things. Uh, no, here no indexing. Based on key you can access. That's why somewhere else you want. Am I getting index error, key error? Key error. If you want to based on indexing, then you will get index error. Here indexing is not there. Based on the keys, you can access the values. Mhm. If you want to store the data to the Excel file, possible. If you want to store the data to the text files, possible. mm, mm, mm. No, no, no. Because Excel data means suppose Excel formats are different, database formats are different. Direct, if you want to store the data, database is possible. Direct, if you want to store the Excel, that is also possible. Wait, wait. One database, another database is possible. Suppose today you are using SQL database. MySQL is there. Tomorrow client is asking, we are not using MySQL. Tomorrow once you have to use Oracle. You can copy from all the data from MySQL. Migrating to the Oracle is possible. Directly Excel to that file to that one not possible. Okay. Okay.